Assalamualaikum. We will discuss today quality controller QA interview questions and answers. 1. Question. What do you mean by quality? Answer. A definition of quality is your focus on the satisfying your customers' needs. Therefore, it can be said that the quality of a product or service is the extent to which it incorporates features and characteristics that allow the customer to use it. At the same time, you are satisfying their needs. Quality can also be defined as being fit for the intended purpose or for purpose. 2. Question. What do you mean by quality assurance? Answer. The quality assurance process helps a business ensure its products meet the quality standards set by the company or its industry. Apocheck sought to understand quality assurance QA is as a company's process for improving the quality of its products. Many businesses view their QA program as a promise to internal stakeholders and customers that the company will deliver high-quality products that provide a positive user experience. 3. Question. Write down 5 critical process name of T-shirt, pant, jacket. Answer. Pant, belt loop, waist belt, side pocket, fly piece, zipper fly, back pocket, front poker, cross, crutch point, underside, top side, leg opening 8. T-shirt and jacket, placker yoke, body hem, cuff, hem side seam, button, poker, sleeve placker, label collar sleeve armhole, shoulders, collar stand shirt front, back part, body, shirt back sleeve hem. 4. Question. Write down fix errorical defect cutting, sewing finishing for blazer, dress pant. Answer. Appearance defects, repairs / re-dot sews, cleanliness labels, Rickers material defects, shade parts, components, assembly stitching, seams, and perma-crease specifications. Critical defects are those that seriously affect appearance or durability, such as loose stitch tension, holes, stains, missing components, or uneven stitching, seams. 5. Question. What is defect? Write down defect classification name, 10 defects name. Answer. Error, fault. Defect refers to defects that deviate from perfection. Error refers to any kind of defect or imperfection. Garments defects types, classification. According to the Garments Quality Inspection, there are 3 categories of workmanship, functional, and appearance defects. 1. Major defects in the garments industry. 2. Minor defects in the garments industry. 3. Critical defects in the garments industry. Hole, spot mark, broken stitch, skip stitch, raw edges, frayed edges, open seam, uneven, down stitch, over stitch. 6. Question. What is major defect? Write down 10 defects name for woven item. Answer. A major defect is one that is likely to create failure of the unit for its intended purpose. A critical defect is one that is deemed to be hazardous or unsafe. Open seams, holes, broken stitch, skip stitch, dirty mark, oil mark, damaged fabric, bubbling due to fusing, but on pot wel at 8, incorrect sp, main label spo etc. 7. Question. Write down some name of fabric defects. Answer. Fabric knots, broken ends, bad selvage, broken pick drop stitches, thick and thin place, snags, crease marks, hole slub, broken rategi knitted fabric defects, loose warp, oil stains, uneven dyeing, weft distortion bar, bowing, double pick float of warp, hole misprinting, abrasion marks. 8. Question. What do you mean by flowchart check sheet? Answer. Flowcharts are graphical representations of data, algorithms, or processes, providing a visual approach to understanding code. Flowcharts illustrate step-by-step solutions to problems, making them useful for beginner programmers. Flowcharts help in debugging and troubleshooting issues. 9. Question. What do you mean by shading? Answer. Shading is the process of adding value to create the illusion of form, space, And most importantly, light in a drawing, when executed correctly, shading can make a drawing appear three-dimensional and create a convincing image. When rendering a drawing that communicates volume, shading is absolutely critical. 10. Question. What do you mean by TLS? Answer. The traffic light system in the garment industry is a visual quality control tool used to monitor and highlight quality issues during the sewing line. IR uses color-coded cards, green, yellow, and red, placed at each operator's workstation to indicate the quality status of the garment. Green signifies that the quality meets the standard, yellow indicates minor defects, and red signifies major defects requiring immediate ASTIUP. Here's how it works. Inline inspection. An inline quality checker randomly inspects garments at each workstation. Color coding. Based on the quality of the inspected garments, color cards are placed at the workstation. Green indicates that the quality meets the required standards. Yellow indicates minor defects or issues that need attention. Red indicates major defects or non-conformances that require immediate action and stopping production for corrective measures. 11. Question. Give an answer of short question A. Question. 1 meter equals how many inch? Ans 39, 37b. Question. 1 centimeter equals how many mm? Ans 10 millimeters. C. Question. 1 inch equals how many cmt? Ans 2, 54 centimeters. D. Question. 60 inch equals how many cm? Ans 150 centimeters. 12. Question. Write down full meaning. A. HPS High Point Shoulder. B. CEPZ Chittagong Export Processing Zone. C. AQL Acceptable Quality Level. D. JSC Junior School Certificate. E. SPC Stitch per centimeter. F. HSC Higher Secondary Certificate. A. G. GPA Grade Point Average. H. SP. Stitch per inch. I. Do Defect Reg 100 unit. J. Cap. Corrective Action Plan. 13. Question. Do below measurement. A. 1/2 3/8 equals 1/8. B. 7/8 3/8 equals 1/2. C. 1/8 plus 7/8 equals 1. D. 7/8 plus 3/4 equals 1/8. E. 3/8 plus 3/8 equals 3/4. F. 3/4 equals 11 halves. G. 5/8 5/8 equals 0. H. 5/8 plus 3/4 equals 13/8. 14. Question. Write about yourself.